you know there's no federal statute for this tax law? That's right. There are states that
None?
are. No, it's all related to state tax guidelines. This is not tax advice. Please confer with your accountant, CPA, tax professional. If you ignore it, it is your responsibility to clean up that mess. So let's hang out and talk about glitch number 198 for July 16th.
Sales tax. Here's the thing about sales tax. A lot of businesses don't realize that in their particular state, they may be required to collect sales tax from their customers when they sell a product or a service. I think a lot of folks make the mistake that traditionally we think of, okay, I went into the store today and I bought a nice pink shirt, so I'm going to pay sales tax on the commodity. I went to the auto repair shop and I got my tires rotated and balanced, and I paid the sales tax on that. But there are other services and products that your state might require you to collect sales tax on. So you definitely want to check that.
Also, with restaurants, these are types of businesses, especially brick and mortar. If you're walking into the store and you're getting a receipt where you can see the itemized listing of things you purchased and then the sales tax item at the bottom. But what happens if you're a business of a service nature or you don't have a brick and mortar? How do you know that you are following the state guidelines for collecting the sales tax?
That's what I meant by the confusion. We make assumptions based upon traditional standards. Buying a shirt, getting your car repaired, buying a book. But there are other requirements, again, and each state out of the 45 states that collect it have different requirements for sales tax collection.
And I think especially with the United States, and sorry for the glitch gurus that are outside of the United States, but you'll want to check your own country's laws and such. But in the United States, between various provinces and districts, you definitely want to make sure that you're following the guidelines for where your business is located.
So what's our goal and our actionable item, Linda Ray? I'm also excited because I'm going to go eat lunch soon.
We have an article to reference for state tax guidelines that you'll want to review. We also have a couple of bullet points on reminders about setting your calendar on when you have to collect or submit these taxes. Each state could be different. The due dates could be different. The rates could vary. So you want to be able to stay on top of this. And this is just not something you want to fly by the seat of your pants.
And as a reminder and a disclaimer, we are not accountants. We're not tax professionals. Please consult with your tax professional or CPA to verify the information about your state.
Thanks for joining us.
We'll see you tomorrow.